Hey guys, welcome to LT's Cruising Adventures, and we are here touring the Ocean View balcony on deck 12, Ocean View cabin number 12284. Let's check it out. First, don't forget to follow us on our social media platforms: YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram. LT's Cruising Adventures, connecting people through cruising and always saying, get out there. So let's get the tour started. Deck 12, cabin number 12284. This cabin does hold 3 people, so there is a sofa bed that does pop out. Of course, these rooms use RDIF chips, so everything is touch and then open, or touch to pay as well. Okay, so as you walk in, you do have your bathroom, which we'll look at here shortly to your right. You have your control panel here. This is where you control your air conditioning unit. This is where you control your lighting. And of course, your different modes. So you have all on right now. You can do morning mode. Fades very slightly. You can do evening mode. You do movie mode. You can do sleep mode. And of course, you could do a blackout. Right, and then when you first come in, just go all on. There we go. All right, so let's get this tour started. Over to your left, you do have a small little table area. Of course, you got your wastebasket there. A little seating area. Of course, we are duck hunters, so as you can see, many ducks. So Walker Raven did think very attentively to the lighting situation when it comes to power. So you do have 2 C USB terminals here. And as you come over, you do have a European plug area, which you can always get your converter adapter here. Got this on Amazon. So you can plug that in. You'll have plug there. You'll have more C's and USBs. You'll have another US plug here and another one. If you don't have that, that's fine. Because again, you have more. So 2 USBs here, and you have this right here, 120 watts. You could put a US plug there as well. It does have the ground there as well. We did notice that this USB here was already damaged prior to us arriving here. So again, this right here becomes your best friend if you do have a lot of electronics. What you do is you plug it in. That's all there is to it. All right. So we were celebrating our milestone for Crown and Anchor. So we did receive our crystal block. So awesome. All right. So as you come over, you got your bed. These are 2 twins that actually convert to a Royal King. If you get them split up, of course, what they'll do is they'll get one of the night tables. This one right here, actually, I'm sorry. And then they'll slide over into the middle to add a division between the 2. So when you're looking at the bed over to the right, you do have another USB port right there. This light right here does swivel. So if you want to add light towards the bed, or if you want to add it over to your guest that's staying on the sofa bed. That you're pretty comfortable. That's a question that we usually get a lot of. All right, so on the left side, looking at the bed, you do have, of course, the power switch here for your lamp. You have a USB port, what used to be a USB port. Apparently got damaged prior to us. And of course, you have the master switch, does everything for the room. And then you also have a US plug. Of course, we got the converter here. Of course, this right here gives us 3 plugs. We can plug it there and we're good to go. But why 3 plugs? Well, of course, this right here comes in handy. wireless charger for our phone. There's our watch, our Bluetooth headset right here, and of course, we got a fan. Regular fan being held up by magnetic hooks actually helps dramatically. All right, so here is more storage. Again, guys, Royal Caribbean really thought when it came to storage. More USB connectors right here, as you can see. I would say this, guys, the TV is fixed. It does not move out or swivel out. So that will probably be the only downfall to this room when you have a guest staying. Of course, they really can't see the TV unless they're just turned around and watching TV from afar. That'll be your view to watch TV. All right, moving to the closet area. So you got two closets. One here for your long dresses or pantsuits. Of course, you can't fit a small luggage there. This is larger than a carry-on to give you a size comparison. And of course, more storage. Sorry about the mess. We did some shopping today. Currently at sea. We were at St. Thomas yesterday. And got the world famous, it made its way through internet about the pull-out wire baskets, and this is why they're famous. Yeah, you gotta love that, right? But they're there for storage if you need it. All right. So again, going back to storage, of course, you want to make as much as you can for this room. Those of you interested in the shows, here's a show lineup if you want to pause it right there. Went to the dollar store, got this for $4. Helps a lot when it comes to hanging your bathing suits, towels, especially if you got more than two people staying in a room. So as you go to the restroom, be very mindful of the step here. Of course, if you turn off the light here, the right side, it's a small night light that projects itself. Just enough to find your way at night. So once you go and come into the right, again, guys, ample storage. And yes, that is a plug. So again, no shortage of power outlets. One cool feature here is the pull-out drawer. Again, more storage. Cannot go wrong with storage on a cruise ship cabin. Inside shower, you do get the shower combo for your wash needs. And of course, you got two shelvings there for what you may need. Shower one is detachable, so you can detach it. And then behind here, you just pull it. Little latch you just push in and you catch it go up and down. Of course, you got your pressure controls to your left and your temperature controls over to the right. Like hot water, the cruise is the way to do it. All right, there's a little ledge here. Game changer already for the showers. And here's another game changer. There is a shelf there. You can sit down, a little bench. Of course, there's your towel rack. And of course, this door is very unique, guys. So as you close, swivels. There you go. All right. So here is your cabin. Deck 12, cabin 12284. And I'll give you guys a money shot here shortly of the balcony. And here we go, guys. Here is your balcony. Again, this is Ocean View balcony cabin number 12284. Of course, this latch right here, you're open. And then over here, you do have a lock. So if you have kids, very good to know. Very smooth to open it. Got two benches that can go back a little bit. Of course, we recommend not to lay flat. And of course, there is your ocean. Allow you guys to take in the moment. Your future vacation awaits here. Cabin number 12284, an icon of the seas. Deck 12. Noise was not an issue. Only thing is, Crown's Edge is slightly above us here in that area. Can't see it too much. Sometimes you can hear people screaming if you're outside. You don't hear nothing from inside your cabin, so just keep that in mind, guys. But again, cannot beat this view. All right, head back in. Keep in mind, do not keep your balcony door open for a long period of time because your air will turn off. Of course, I'm doing it now for the purposes of our video here. And there you have it, guys. Once again, this is LT's Cruising Adventures, connecting people one cruise at a time, and always saying to get out there, explore the world, guys. Thank you so much for watching this. Leave a comment below. Make sure you hit that like button. Helps the channel out. And go on and hit that subscribe, share with your friends and family. Thank you so much, guys. And as always, get out there. Hope to see you one day on a War Caribbean cruise.